4-story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include cloth seats, rear view camera, tinted glass, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlet, power steering, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.